how to change currency on Allchinabuy. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So if we check out their platform right now and let's search for Buggy Short. There we go. Click on search. We will be able to find all kinds of products over here as you can see. But as you can see, it's in a specific currency. So if you want to be able to change it to a different currency, what you're going to do is you're going to look over here on the top section. You will be able to see that we have English as our language and the currency over here. So you could only change it between Chinese yen and US dollar over here. So if you click on US dollar, click on OK, it should update as you can see here. And now you will be able to see how much these items cost in a different currency. But unfortunately, it's only with those two currency. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.